Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin now by reading the box directions, but focus on ratios. Box mix typically measures to whole cans. First, make the caramel. Heat 3/4 cup sugar in a saucepan over medium, swirl, do not stir until amber. Once caramel is amber, pour into the pan quickly and tilt to coat the bottom. This seals flavor and prevents sticking. Meanwhile, crack 3 eggs into a bowl and set cans of milk nearby so you can assemble the custard immediately, keeping air minimal. Now mix the custard. Pour the box powder into a bowl, add 1 can evaporated milk, 1 can sweetened condensed milk, and the 3 eggs. You whisk firmly but briefly, aim for smoothness not foam, because bubbles make holes in the final texture. Once homogeneous, strain the liquid through a fine sieve directly into the hot caramel-lined pan. This removes lumps and any coagulated egg bits. Make sure the mixture is level, once strained. Give it a gentle tap to release trapped air before baking. Finish by placing the pan in a larger roasting pan and pour hot water to reach halfway up the flan pan. This water bath ensures even cooking. Bake at 325 degrees for about 50 to 60 minutes until the center jiggles but is set. Once done, cool to room temperature, then chill at least 4 hours or overnight to firm. To unmold, run a thin knife around the edge and invert onto a serving plate. If it clings, warm the pan bottom briefly under hot water to loosen the caramel and try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.